December 13th, 2023, we visited the old Santa Fe Depot located in the Railyard District in the state's capital. The building, built in 1909, has undergone a 2-year, $1.6 million renovation project on both the interior and exterior to restore the building. The Guadalupe Street building was constructed in 1909 and until 2024 served as the northern terminus, offices, and gift shop of the Santa Fe Southern Railway. The New Mexico Rail Runner began serving the stop in 2008, and other tourist buses also use the station as a boarding location. According to the attendant at the building, the remodeling was done in a way to maintain the historic nature of the building. The waiting room, baggage room, and freight room still exist but won't serve passengers anymore. The city's tourism department is now a tenant in the building, and a large HO-scale model railroad is the focal point. Built by the Santa Fe Model Railroad Club, it is a model of the depot and surrounding areas circa 1941. It is operational but not running yet due to the need for window coverings on the west side, which are needed to prevent the sun from expanding the track on that side of the layout. Denver and Rio Grande Western 463 is ready to depart the narrow gauge depot, now Tomasita's restaurant, on the Chili line toward Antonito, and a Santa Fe engine has arrived at the AT&SF depot. Visiting Santa Fe is always a pleasure, and now there is one more interesting thing to see. On January 2nd, 2024, we stayed at La Fonda on the plaza in Santa Fe. The structure that guests enjoyed today was built in 1922. Authentic elements include hand-carved beams, stained glass skylights, and a 25-foot cathedral ceiling, creating an atmosphere that is unique to La Fonda's Santa Fe history. Elements of the original design are still evident throughout the hotel, with La Plazuela situated on the hotel's original 1920s outdoor patio, as well as breathtaking skylights, terracotta tile, and hammered tin chandeliers. In 1925, the building changed hands when it was acquired by the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railway. The company leased the property to Fred Harvey, a gentleman renowned for his keen sense of hospitality. A Santa Fe tradition is shopping for authentic Indian jewelry along the colonnade at the Palace of the Governors on the north side of the plaza. Just north of that is the New Mexico History Museum, which presents 18 miles, and that's as far as it got, the Lamy branch of the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railroad. This engaging exhibit will delve into the connections between the little town of Lamy and New Mexico's legendary capital of Santa Fe. Hurry, because the exhibit only goes through January 16, 2024. The centerpiece of the exhibition is the Lamy train model. Meticulously crafted by the Santa Fe Model Railroad Club, the 32-foot model transports visitors to the early 1940s, where wood frame and adobe buildings, stockyards, and the Harvey House L. Ortiz defined the community. Maps, photographs, and text underscore the importance of the railroad in community development and how a distinctive architectural identity helped build New Mexico's tourist economy. Anchored at one end by Lamy's iconic El Ortiz Hotel and at the other end by La Fonda and the Palace of the Governors, early 20th century travelers were immersed in the blend of Pueblo, Spanish, and Mission influences. Collectively known as the Santa Fe style, this architectural legacy continues to serve as a defining aspect of the region's identity. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.